Good afternoon. So I have some VIP leads and customers I want to go see. I have some in the New York metro area, and while I have addresses assigned to each one of those, it'd be good to visualize those addresses and those locations, and then plan a trip with an optimized route. What I want to do is I want to check out how easy this is accomplished by using MapAnything. Now, MapAnything is a native geomapping solution that's found in the Salesforce App Exchange. We'll start using MapAnything. Let's click on the tab. And what I want to start to do is select my leads and my accounts. So to do that, I just open up this folder. And I first select my accounts. My accounts are visualized with this black marker. And the next thing I want to do is open up my leads. Now my leads are in purple. Now what I want to do is now, since I have leads and accounts all over the country, I want to set a proximity so I know who I can actually visit right now. So I'm going to just set my position. As I do that, it can tell that I'm in the New York City area. So let me kind of step out a little bit, get a better bird's eye view. And I can see now between New York City, I have my leads and my contacts not that far away up in the White Plains and the Connecticut area. Next thing I'm going to do is set proximity for about a 50-mile radius, right? So everything's within a 50-mile radius. There we go, right there. If I needed to, I can play with this a little bit, show some options. I can make it a little less transparent, change the color a little bit, right? Have some fun with it. That's all good. What I want to start to do next is start planning out this route, right? So from New York up through Rye, New York, up to Fairfield County, what's the best route to take? Pretty simple process. First thing I'm going to do is select on my location, add that to the route. Then I want to click on this lead, go to Actions, add to route. And I'm going to do the same thing for some of my accounts over here. Right? Actions, add to route, a couple more times. And one more over here in Fairfield. Now that I have all those different stops selected, what I want to do is I want to add this to a route. I'm going to add it to the VIP meetings and go ahead and save it. What I want to do now is optimize this route for the best driving directions. To do that, I'm going to just select this lightning bolt to optimize it. As I do that, it kind of lays it all out. So from New York City, up I-95, stopping at the various locations, getting off on 95, driving north a little bit to my other accounts, and then back ending up in Fairfield. What I have now is an optimized route that has the total number of stops, total number of miles, and the expected travel time. Of course, if I'm in the rush hour traffic in New York, I may expect a little bit more time tagged on to that. So I've done that on my desktop. What I'm going to do now is show you how I can do the same on my phone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my phone. There we go. Right, this is my phone. This is Salesforce 1. Right, standard capabilities associated with your Salesforce licensing. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to select the app for MapAnything. So it's available in Salesforce 1 just like it is on your desktop. And as I select that, what I want to do is look at my routes. So I'm going to pick the one for Connecticut VIP meetings. Kind of lays it out there. And it's when I just hide the sidebar. And there we go. Right, so now if I'm in my phone, right, I know I'm starting in New York. I can kind of figure out where I need to go. If I tap on any one of these, tap on number 3, it tells me who that is, right? Going to Tony Cohn, over 59 Apple Tree Drive, Stamford, Connecticut. And there we have it, right? So from phone to desktop, utilizing MapAnything, very simple to deploy. It's a great way to visualize not just where your customer is located, but how to get from point A to point B. Thank you.